Here I have Jaecoo 5 and let me show you how to enable the music rhythm ambient function. So if you would like to use your ambient lighting with the music rhythm, you can do this on JAECOOCARS. All you need to do is open the settings. You can do this by using two different methods, by tapping the settings button here or by tapping this car icon at the bottom of the screen. Then let's use here the left menu and select here the ambient lighting. As you can see, in ambient lighting you can adjust the ambient to your needs. You can choose different colors, but if you scroll down you can here enable the music rhythm. So you can show the ambient lighting with the music rhythm. So enabled ambient light brightness, color and recommended colors are grayed out and cannot be operated because everything will be set up automatically by the Jaecoo. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.